Okay, now we're going to install the interior mortise. So one thing you want to do is make sure that this latch is out because you'll need to grab it. So go ahead and twist it all the way and make sure that this is locked. So when you insert it in the door. Now we're going to take the latch and insert it into the mortise on the door. You're going to slide it in. And the reason why we have this handle here is so you can kind of hold on to it. And then we'll take our small screws and we'll go ahead and insert them in. I'll go ahead and get it started to be threaded. Once it's started, I'll take a screwdriver and finish it off. Okay, that's the top one, and now I can let go and do the bottom one. Now we will install the handles. This is the interior handle and this is the exterior handle. And down here we have the interior lock. First things we're going to do is we're going to take our lock pin and we'll insert it into our lock handle. And we will find our lock here. Now one thing you want to check here is to make sure that the lock turns correctly. So up and down, very nice and smooth, and that way it opens correctly, because as when we put on the door handle, if this is not in the correct position, the lock will not be able to turn correctly. Okay, now we're going to install our handles. This is our interior door handle and this is our exterior door handle. Make sure that this flat side is facing the door jamb, and that way it'll sit nice and flush. So first, go ahead and put our screws in on this side. And then for the exterior handle, we will check it and make sure that it's flush with even. You gotcha. And voila, hold it tight. And you can fasten this down. Let's get the bottom one. Tighten it up. There we go. And double check to make sure it locks. And there you go.